What's the meaning of breakdown? Breakdown. Breakdown.
Breakdown. Breakdown. Breakdown refers to a state of failure, collapse, or disintegration. It could refer to a wide range of situations, from mechanical failures to mental health issues. The result of a breakdown can be highly disruptive and damaging, causing significant harm to individuals, organizations, and systems. The severity of the outcome will depend on the context in which the breakdown occurs, as well as the extent of the damage involved. In most cases, however, the consequences of a breakdown are negative, requiring immediate attention in order to mitigate further harm and facilitate recovery.